Yeah, just now I'm recording that. Yeah, let's see. Let me share the screen right now. Okay. Yeah, you see right now line and line extends animal. If you see the line also is one of the class which is there in the different package. Com.and cat service.zoo is a package. Under that, I created line class, right? But you see that animal is in a different class. We just discussed about it. If you want to access this animal, from which is there in the different packages, we need to use this, import package. For example, if I delete this, here I'm trying to extend the animal class, which is not there in the same package. You see this, right? Because zoo is a class is having only a line, right? Yeah, but I want to extend the class, from animal. So then it's an animal from different packages, which is not there in this. So this Eclipse is suggesting to import this. So which is not there, we need to import it. So this import is also one more keyword to create or to import the classes from different packages. Okay, if it is there in the same class, same package, import is not required. So that will be accessible by default. That is called default. As it is not there, we need to import it like this. Okay, so animal, so that we are able to extend this line from animal and all are set. So this is the package actually. Okay, now I'll say that I'll go to the dog class here. For example, you see this. So when you say it's trying to import now animal, let's see. So all set. Okay. Now is a dog is a method here, and where is the access specifiers demo? We go and let me. I think this is a where it is. This is in a different. Okay. Okay. Right. Now what I do is. Hmm, what I do is in this I have one more cat and dog also here, right? So what I do is um, I'll create a okay animal. Okay, just what I do is just I don't use anything now, just a class dog. Okay, in the access specifier I can see now I'll just created a dog. I think it was already there last time we created a dog and new dog and make the sounds and blah blah blah. Okay, I'll keep this also now. So only we'll play around with the dog right now. You see it here. I'm creating a dog class now and just see. Okay, animal constructor, animal constructor call and so and so, and dog constructor, dog is sounding dog specific method because of this we discussed last time. But yeah, you see the now we'll think about the and we'll focus about the access point of view. So dog is able to access this method, this class. Okay, access specifier demo because dog I mentioned here, right? Dog also there in the same package where NCAS service is there. Okay. Now what I do is I'll move dog to zoo. Okay. I'll move dog to zoo. Otherwise, like animals, I don't make it zoo. I'll move to animal because it's also one of the animal, right? Let's see. I did a, this Eclipse is a shortcut, guys. Okay, no need to copy paste like this. When I say something from there to, drag and drop to this package. So this will show here and it's asking move it and is asking for update the references so and so. Okay. Then, dog Java and update fully qualified names. So and so is say that I don't do it now. Just for now, just I moved it. I moved here. Okay. I moved the dog also here. Uh, I didn't do any changes now. Okay. Um, just as same as a class, also class dog extend animal. And now you see that previously here, just before we executed, right? We don't see any compilation error. Now you see that whenever dog I moved from this package to different package, so I'm seeing that access issue. So dog cannot be resolved to a type now. Dog cannot be, yeah, resolved a type. Okay, because dog is not here, is not able to understand this class here, because we have given the access to default, because we didn't give it anything, right? Because if it is in the same package, that will be accessible, we don't get it. But yeah, as this move to here, and this class, and we didn't say any public or something. If it is a public, it would have tried to ask here. You could identify some with a public method, but it's not this same package, right? It could be accessed from the different package. But as this class is default, so it is not, finding anything, this class, because the scope of this class is only within the this package. If you want to use this dog within this animals, yes, we can use it. Any class, animal also can use it, dog also can use it. Any class which is comes under this package, those all the classes can utilize dog. I can say all can communicate each other without specifying any access specifier. When I say access, if there is no access specifier, nothing but is what is there in the default is there. So that is the default package, right? Now you got it, right? What is the default? So the same case is, I have given that class level. We can mention at field level also. Okay, field level also you can keep it so that those fields can be accessible. So that you can practice it after this class. Now you got it, right? So if you want to access this class, what I do is I'll make it public. Okay, I'll make it public. So when I say public, now just I made it here. Now you see access specifier come here, then it still is showing error. But when you move the cursor here, see it is suggesting something else now. Previously it says dog cannot be resolved type and fix the problem. But now there is a suggestion here. You see this? It was not there before I made I changed to public. Because when I say public, right, again when it got saved, all these classes, like trying to, Eclipse is trying to find out, it identified as a public. When I say public, there is a possibility to utilize it, right? But only we need to import that. So it is asking permission, hey, I identified somewhere else the dog class, the dog that we can import it here. Then you say it's okay, yes, now it is imported. So with this, now it's fine. If you run it, okay, so this is the default one. Clear, right? So the same thing, like now public and private also. Other day also I explained dog class is there here. For example, okay, okay, public. um, string name. Okay. So can say name, right? I can put. Hmm, can say dark name. Okay. Now I come here and see this. It's a public now. I do is what I do is I created animal here. Dark. I can see name can I can accessible here. Equals. Okay. Um, what I can give a dog name? Uh, okay, I can give your okay. Okay. Just I give my dog. Just you can check. Now you see this. I click. See, dog name is my dog. It got added because I able to access field here because that is a public, right? Now what I do is I'll go to the dog class here. I think this already explained last time. So if it is a let me say private, you see it here when I come to access specifier. Yes, got error because it's not visible. So then we need to have make it public if you want to access this. So let me go to make it public. Where it is, dog. Yes. All right. So this is the way where we need to uh, add it here. Clear? All right. Now, what I can say is now this is default over public and private is over. So public, when I say public, can be accessed anywhere within the package, different package. But only thing is we need to import it if it is there in the different packages. But yeah, private can be visible within the just within the same class. Okay. Then uh, okay. Then what I do is I'll give you the protected now. Yeah, be careful or be present on that. On the protected class because this is a very specific use case. We don't use it much. I mean, as a programmer, because majority of the inbuilt classes will implement that one. But yeah, we should know how this is defined. When I say I'll take that use case of lion and animal. So are you guys clear? So if okay. Okay, I said like if you just keep giving thumbs up if you are clear on it. So if you are not clear, if you want to repeat once again, just please post me here so that I'll repeat. Always you guys do it once you are clear on it. Okay, right. Now let me go to the protected, which is very useful method right now. I'm going to class here. You see the animal is a class, public class, which is having right animal constructor we already discussed. Okay, I have created one variable. Previously, I created one name field is a public, right, in dog class. Now I'm creating is a okay. I am creating it. Give me 1 second. I'm getting a call. Okay, guys. Sorry, I'm back. Now you see here, protected class. I mentioned, sorry, public class animal. I mentioned one field called protected. Okay. This is specifies actually. Sorry, and right now you see it here. This class is animal. I mentioned like specifies method, and when I come to line method here, the line method, line is in a different package. You see, package form dot mm, pencast services dot zoo, but animal is in a different package, which is animal. But yeah, I able to import the animal here. Then you see this particular field called specifies able to access here, right? Yeah, I able to access this is in which class? Only line class. Are you able to see? Now, when you run this one, it's able to access because the protected variable can be accessed to the its line class. It's line class only, not other classes. Now, when I run this one, okay, uh, yeah, forget about these two already there. Yeah, you see that uh, this method, okay, specifies line and I'm a line, because we can say display specifies, right? We are setting this line, and what are you doing here? Display specifies. Okay, when I click here, what are you specifying here? Because if you don't specify this will go by default unknown. Okay, the you need to understand is, if you don't specify this, that will go to unknown. Right? So the main purpose of this is here are trying to understand we're able to access this specified field here, because when you say private, we can't access, right? We tried before. Just we tried the field in the dog, and by making private we can't access that. Only public we tried. Now even protector also we can try it by because this is a subclass of animal, because animal is having that protected field that only dog is can be able to access it because of this protected. So it's able to inherit only the parent properties is protected. So that is called kind of is between public and private. Okay. So that is a protected method. It's only able to protect the fields of the particular classes or parent classes, I can say. So this way we can access this protected method. I mean, by using protected method, we can give the access to only to its subclasses, not the others. Okay. Now I'll make the same thing here, in a line, in access specifier. Okay, access specifier also I'll keep it line. Just you see this. So what I do is first let me import here. See, I try to import, but again, actually I try to. Now you see it here. Even this method can be accessed within line, but I'm trying to make the same line where in different package. I'm using like an access specifier demo. I'm trying to access line outside of the packages and outside of outside of its meaning and just assume like now I'm the in real time scenario I'm the hacker. For example, just like I'm trying to access the line class. I know line class somehow that trying to access and trying to modify manipulating this. So am I able to do? No. So this is a real time scenario. Because so if you want to modify something, I can only where I can do only line itself can do it, not any other classes, not any other stuff. So that is the one. If you make this same thing here, right, within the line, able to access, not the same line object from outside, unable to do that. So with this, what you need to understand is, protected is the access specifier which can be useful within the only of its subclasses.